there, YouTube. Today is Sunday. I think it must be January 7th. Finished up some work. I'll go back and check for more later, but decided to go out for a ride. It's not too bad. What is it? 60 degrees. It's not bad. But I'm using my Hero 4 Silver. I had two of them, but a couple years ago I had one mounted on the trailer and it broke off and I lost it somewhere in West Texas. Both of them had they had the Sena backpack on there, so you could use the Sena headsets to record your audio. And this one I took it off because it went dead and never charged again, so it's just bad. But anyway, having a little trouble with this thing. It's just the buttons, I guess as it's so old, the buttons no longer have like a snap to them. You know how you press it and it goes click click and then it goes on and off? These don't do that. They're just kind of stuck. So I've been waiting for the Sena 10C EVO. It'll mount right where my headset is on the left hand side. And I've been waiting for that for well over a year. In December of 2016 on their website it said coming soon, 10C EVO. Well, December 2017 came and went, still says coming soon. You know, so I'm kind of thinking, okay, December 2018, coming soon. I think Sena is full of crap. So I actually made a post on their Facebook page. I said, what's the deal, man? This has been coming soon for well over a year now, and it's still coming soon. You know, when can we expect it? And they said, oh, you can expect it. Everything coming soon. Why would they even put that on their website if it's really not coming soon? Coming soon means maybe a month or two or weeks, but not years. And, you know, come on, Sena. Don't put that crap on your website when coming soon for 2 freaking years. Yeah, I would have bought the old 10C instead of waiting, you know, 2 years for the EVO that's never going to come, or obviously doesn't seem like it's ever going to come. So anyway, if it's not here in February, I'll find something else. I'll get something different that I can still use my Sena headset instead of the extra mic I have wired to it and stuck on my boom on the Sena. So anyway, just kind of frustrating. I don't know why people do that. And coming soon for 2 years. Obviously it's not coming soon. Anyway, kind of cloudy today. It's not cold, but a little windy. So it's probably not a good day to go far with the wind. I got a lot of warm and wet weather clothes if I need them in the tour pack. I always carry that. When this time of year, I always carry that kind of stuff because you never know when the weather could drop 40 degrees. Something blew in, but I don't think it's supposed to. I looked at the 10-day forecast, and it's supposed to be like in the high 60s, even 70 next week or the week after next. I don't know when. But anyway, bye.